Hey, welcome to Credit Makes Sense with Netiva the Frugal CrediTnistaa, where we answer your questions about money, credit, and everything in between. I am super excited about today's Prosperity Partner Question. We are talking medical collections. For those of you who don't know me, I own M&H Financial Services, where we help women and couples over 30 to master their money, destroy their debts, and soar their credit score so they can crush their financial goals. I also run thebomb.com members club, Credit on Fire, where we do exactly the same through instructional videos and templates and downloads and challenges and literally step-by-step processes and live lessons and Q&A and accountability calls to help you repair, restore, rebuild, transform your credit scores, destroy your debt, master your money, purchase your first home, invest in real estate, purchase your first tax lien, monetize your current skills, so much more. We're all about wealth creation and building a rock solid financial foundation that can support whatever wealth building efforts you are moving to. If you're on Facebook, I also have the epic free Credit Makes Sense community that teaches you with free challenges and manuals and things of that sort and how to repair, restore, rebuild, and transform those credit scores. Let's get to today's Prosperity Partner Question. For the last year, I've been on track with building my credit score. As of Monday, I was hit with a medical collection that I wasn't sure of with a balance of only $74. Oh. Fast forward, my score dropped 87 points. My question is, if I submit a pay for delete letter and it actually gets taken care of, will my score creep back up or will I immediately get my 87 points back? Ouch. Well, I'm hoping this is the only thing that happened with your credit. Sometimes when you're looking, you said you pulled this from Credit Karma, certain other things can happen that can affect the scores, and then there's one thing and it just attributes that entire drop to that one thing, which can be kind of confusing. At any rate, I super hate that the $74 balance caused such a big drop, and it usually means that you've done a pretty good job at building your credit, because if your credit still sucked, that one medical collection would have done a major drop like that. If your credit is more up there, when a negative is added, it drops it. So what are you going to do about the $74? Number one, I would see if the rules were followed as far as waiting 6 months before a negative is put on your credit report, as far as seeing if they made the attempts under the Affordable Care Act to collect from you before putting this item on your credit report. I would do some due diligence on that first. I'll leave a link in the comments so that you can kind of follow the ACA requirements. And I see you are part of my Credit Makes Sense group. There is research, medical collections. You'll see all of the updates that I left for you guys on the new requirements before medical collections are added within that 6-month time frame, how it should be coded in order to make sure it's not added before then, and all of that. The reason why you want to go through this is because if there's any breakdown in any of those requirements, these are legal requirements and guidelines, then you can get it removed automatically. And in some cases, people have been able to wipe the debt off. It's only $74. I will offer a pay to delete. I will get on the phone. I have a full collections and medical collections course inside of Credit on Fire that literally walks you through step by step all the way down to negotiating a settlement and a pay to delete. Like, it literally walks you through everything. If you haven't taken care of your dollar or haven't taken advantage of the dollar trial, I would do that. Actually, no, that comes out in month 2. So you will be like at the $19.97 plus $1. So $20.97. Well worth it to get this taken care of. Now, as far as if your $87 will come back immediately, no. We don't even know, as I mentioned, if the whole $87 points was attributed to this $74 medical collection. Will they increase if it's deleted? Absolutely. You took it out. As long as nothing else negative new came on your report, you haven't like soared up some credit card balances on your cards, you're good. Will you get the full 87 points back? Probably not. But as long as you're doing everything else good, the medical collection is eliminated, I would, to ensure you get as much of an increase as possible, bring whatever credit card balances you have as close to like 1% of the available credit limit as possible. Make sure everything else is reporting on time. Making sure you open up your mail up in case there's anything else outstanding that you may not be aware of. And that way, when you do your pay to delete, which you should be pretty successful for, it's only $74, you should be on point. I do know Experian typically deletes collections under $100 relatively easy if you want to go the disputing route. But I think even without disputing, if you know it's yours and you know, like you said, you wasn't aware of the balance, trying to find that out. You should have been aware before it was slapped on your credit report. So I will go that route first. As I mentioned, I'll leave a link down here for you to get it together. As far as finding out more education and information on the actual process, it's good to always come to the negotiating table informed and educated as possible. Also leave a link for that dollar trial to Credit on Fire, and that should handle it. And I love your hashtag, life after divorce. Honey, there is life after divorce. This is just one of those little things that pop up and that you're going to crush and get rid of it and keep on climbing. Amen. Holla, holla. Okay. All right. If anybody else has any questions for our next Credit Makes Sense segment, you can definitely send them to the email address that I have listed in the description. Social at mnhfinancialservices.com. Social at mnhfinancialservices.com. You heard me mention a dollar trial for Credit on Fire. Definitely take advantage of that while we still have it going on. It is literally an incredible and valuable resource for you to basically accomplish so many of your credit and financial goals. So definitely want you guys to be a part of that movement. All right. I will see you next time for another segment of Credit Makes Sense. Enjoy the rest of your day.